Are you struggling in understanding banking credit-related matters like financial ratio analysis, cash flow and fund flow analysis, working capital assessment, products like cash credit, letter of credit, bank guarantee, term loan appraisal covering debt equity analysis, DSCR, FOIR, etc.? Are you a banking executive who has recently joined the bank, NBFC, or who has been transferred to the credit department recently? Are you a finance professional working on project funding for your clients? Are you a finance manager finding it hard to understand the expectations of your bankers? Then this workshop is for you. One-day live workshop on banking credit analysis. It's a lifetime opportunity to learn the core concepts of banking credit in one day. Register now and join on January 23, 2021, 4th Saturday. 9:30 a.m. to 5:30 p.m. Check the description below for more details.